Education Minister Rakkam Sangma said the state government has instructed all the schools across the state that safety is a priority and most of the school buses now has tracking system. It may be mentioned that the Ministry of Education has urged all states and union territories to implement the guidelines on school safety and security 2021 to improve the protection of children in educational institutions. Aligned with the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act, in which the guidelines aim to establish clear accountability for school management across government-aided schools and private schools.
Schools management and safety is a priority. Safety is a priority. Suppose there are many school buses, right? It's running on the city. Most of the school buses has a tracking system, right? And GPS system. We know what time is students coming up. But of course, there's some exceptional cases will happen. That which is very unfortunate, and so should not happen also. But I will encourage every management, principal, every elders, right? Be it the parents. Our priority of our children is very, very important.
Amidst the